Hello, welcome. Today I will teach you how to create high click-through rate YouTube thumbnail using PosterMyWall. Okay, so you see this one. I'm sure you click on this video because of this thumbnail. Yes, so real quick, let me show you something. If you check this my dashboard, this is my YouTube dashboard. This video I published it 4 days ago. It had just 2 views, but after I changed the thumbnail, if you see, impression click-through rate is showing green ticked, which means it's doing well. And now the video has about 19 views. Same thing with this one, because I was using these other thumbnails. Look at these other thumbnails. If you look at this one, they are not looking good, but if you look at this one, they are looking good. This one, you can easily click on it than this one. Okay, so that's one thing we need to know. So also in YouTube, there are 3 things that matter. The first thing is your thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail, a good thumbnail. The second thing is your title, and the third thing is your content. Okay, so these are the 3 key things that will make your video to go viral, because the topic you are in, remember that many people are also doing the same thing. So if you don't do it better, many people in that your same niche will dominate you. Because if you are scrolling on YouTube, you see a thumbnail like, let's say a thumbnail like this one. Okay, a thumbnail like this one, you can easily click on it than a thumbnail like, let's say this one. Okay, so this one is attention grabbing. Also this one. Now let me show you how you can create a thumbnail like this one using PosterMyWall. So just head over to Google, you type PosterMyWall. After typing it, enter into the website. I'm already using it. Yes, when you enter the website, you see this search bar. This is the one I just used to do the logo to do the thumbnail I was showing you. So enter this search bar, type YouTube thumbnail. Okay, it will give you samples. You see any that is eye catching to you, like this one. This is the one I took. Or this one, you can take this one, anyone that you like. You click on it. Okay, if you click on it, it will take you to a place like this one that you can edit it. Okay, now this is it. You have a thumbnail like this one. You can change this photo and put your own. Okay, if you don't want to change, you allow it. You can easily completely remove the photo. Yes. Okay, and then you edit all these text. Yes, you edit all the text, but I will show you how to get the best thumbnail title or YouTube title for you using Meta AI. So I'm going to drop a prompt in the comment section so that you can get it and use it to generate your own catchy thumbnail ideas. So if you go to WhatsApp, you type this prompt: give me catchy text option for my thumbnail that will get a high click-through rate and describe how the thumbnail should look. Here is the full stop. Right, here is the video title: how to make high click-through rate YouTube thumbnail with PosterMyWall. Okay, so now if you copy the prompt in the comment section and paste in Meta AI, it will generate this for you. Now it says here are some catchy text options for your thumbnail. Thumbnail title option: create thumbnails that drive traffic. Boost your views with eye-catching thumbnails. Make thumbnails that grab attention. So these are some titles. If you take any of these titles and put, it will help you. Then the design: background bright, bold, and eye-catching colors, e.g., orange, green, or yellow. Right. From here, you can use this idea to generate what, or to edit your thumbnail in PosterMyWall. Now, they say we should use YouTube icon. This is it. We should use a graph. This is the graph, and this arrow, then this text too. If you see this text is very bold, and this person pointing is grabbing attention. Okay. Now, if you are inside here, you can just click and edit anywhere you want to edit. Okay. Also change colors. Then, secondly, if you want to add any icon like YouTube, you just click this plus icon. You click on media. You type, maybe for example, these are icons here. Facebook icon, YouTube icon, all are there. Anything you want, you type it there. You bring it inside here. Okay. Yes, so if you look at this thumbnail, it is very eye-catching. Anyone who sees it has about 80% to click on it. Now, if they click on it and your video is not good, it will not be nice. So before making this title, also make a video that will relate to your thumbnail. Okay, don't give a different thumbnail and you give different message in the video. If not, people will not be coming to your channel. Okay, now there are so many videos I've done on this channel concerning YouTube and Facebook, and also how to make money online. Check them, and if there's any you want me to do or personally for you, comment, I'll get to you. Then also, if you want me to generate these thumbnails for you or create these thumbnails for you, you can hire me, I will help you.